Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to showcase a room tour from our recent stay at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. This is a deluxe resort, and I have to say staying here was just an amazing experience. The amenities, the design, the details, everything was just a great immersive experience here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. So we were on the 4th floor. We were kind of a ways out from the lobby. We were on the Zebra Trek rooms, but we were on this corner room right here, and that provided some really interesting views because we got to see the one Savanna straight out and then a little bit of the Savanna to the right of us. So we definitely got some really awesome views. So when you first walk in here, you're going to see that there was this little hallway section because the room is on the corner. And then when you turn, that's where the room really starts. And you're going to have the bathroom with the double sinks. Of course, you're going to have Disney's H2O products available to you. Shampoo, lotion, conditioner. This was a Savanna View 2-queen bed room, sleeps up to 4 adults, and the only thing better than all the details in the room, from the African design, all the little details, was this view. Being able to step out on your balcony and watch the animals, that's why you're here. This moment of being able to wake up and see giraffe out on the savannah just steps away from your room really was breathtaking. Something else that was kind of cool with our view, not only could we see the animals, but we could also see the tops of the floating mountains from Pandora at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Altogether, this was a great room. Being able to take advantage of the balcony, being able to sit, have coffee, and, winding down before bed, being able to just look out and see the animals. That is just an experience that you're going to remember from your Disney vacation. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks.